The capacity of a jug is twice the amount of apple juice inside. The apple juice is emptied and then poured into 5 identical cups. The cups are fully filled to the brim and the capacity of each cup is 250 ml. Find the capacity of the jug in ml. So let's try to logic this question out, yeah? So they told us that the capacity of the jug is twice the amount of apple juice inside, which means that this is the jug. Since the capacity of the jug is twice the amount of apple juice inside, over here will be the apple juice. And they said that the apple juice is emptied and poured into 5 identical cups. So for the cups, right, it will become, the apple juice will be poured into 5 cups over here. Okay, so each of them will be fully filled to the brim and each of them is 250 ml. Okay, so they say find the capacity of the jug in ml. So over here, we have to find the capacity of this. So that's why I put here in question mark. In order to do this, we have to find the total capacity of the cup, of the 5 cups, which will be half of the jug, and then we take the figure and multiply by 2, because in the jug there are 5 cups. In the jug there are 2 parts over here, and each part is 5 cups. So we take 5 multiplied by 250, and that will give us 1250. Okay. So after this, we will just multiply by 2 to find the capacity of the jug. So it's 1250 multiplied by 2, will give me 2500 ml. So notice that they ask for the capacity of the jug in ml, so do not change this to liter, if not minus 1 mark, because you're not listening to instructions. Okay, so for questions like this, for parents, remember, draw out the model, or let them draw out the model. So once you let them draw the model, right, then you try to see whether the model makes sense. Are all the information inside? Are the question marks inside as well? Are the shaded portion shaded correctly? Alright, done.